Unang aikten bodai no yalam ke BGP Mekraya ba marihom Kharkhrang ula penpau ba sengwi Iahap setia ya ke Jingkren upsden ke Voice of the People's Party ba Ardent mila besemoj ubla keno bagi jaka Khemet ni kispa kindai ki yalam syakam auri hab kren mendak sengi ba Kharkhrang long ba bun ginong Khem keleng bat wat ki Khasi ru ki ju Khemet Hato kan yalam syakam auri kani ki Jingkren kedai ke bom Iahap bat bom la ban pediang laong ba Kharkhrang la ban kedau ba Ardent dangsian wa kam ba ka jingwan ra ka soka ke hotel Remdor kemudian ru ki jaka Khemet nispa kan yalam syakam auri bat ke jelam Mekraya kan sak kelak tem jong ke jing sneu.
No, I don't subscribe to that view. I don't subscribe to that view. In fact, a lot of places we have spas and all. Doesn't mean that becomes turn to prostitution then. I mean that. In fact, here also we have a lot of these local people who give massage and all. Are they inborn prostitution? No. So I mean that is it's gone to no. I don't subscribe to that view.